What's good? This Made Media Magazine checking in. Please hit that like button, hit that share, and subscribe if you ain't subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and hit that bell so you be notified next time I go live or drop a video. Much love, y'all. Peace.
So yeah, today, man, we in Las Vegas. We taking it to Harold's Chicken. Harold's Chicken, man, in Las Vegas. You know, they have another location. They originally from Chicago. Shout out to Trench News and the Mod Squad, man. They told me about this place, so I had to try it, man. So yeah, Harold's Chicken got 2 locations in Vegas. I went to one. Harold's Chicken maintains a 70-year rich tradition of serving delicious Chicago-style chicken drizzled in our signature mild and hot sauces. So yeah, man, I ordered a whole bunch of shit, man. I talked to the young lady behind the counter, man. She told me she's from the south side of Chicago, man. Yeah, I ordered me some chicken, brought it home, and I'll tell you right now, man, this chicken was good, the fish was good, the sauce was good. You know, everything about it was good. So, shout out to the Mod Squad for putting me up on game, man. Harold's Chicken, Las Vegas, Nevada. Looking good. It's the shrimp, catfish, fries, wings, and the special sauce. All right, they talk so much shit about how good this place is in Chicago. So definitely, if you're in the Las Vegas area, man, hit this place up. Shit good, man, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this Made Media Magazine. Hit that like, share, subscribe. Until next time, you feel me?